Watson, the game is afoot. London, the priceless sapphire eye of Neptune is found switched for a forgery.
It gleams.
Like a politician's smile, dazzlingly false. Come on. Stolen goods don't pay the rent unless you sell them.
Now, London's finest jewel dealers, these names.
Who is most suspect?
Edward Black, greedy, long known for fencing rare stones, a record of pride. He has hunted whispers of the Eye of Neptune for years.
Pity, Watson, that idea died faster than your sentence. 2 weeks ago, this genius was already in the Mediterranean, soaking his brain in champagne and Barbie dolls.
So, not him.
Think, Watson, who truly obsesses over a jewel fair?
Well informed, always chasing gossip.
Aha. Influencers, keyboard warriors, flocking wherever crumbs are dropped.
Yes, she's been posting non-stop about this exhibition. Charlotte.
Ah, beauty, jewels, it fits.
Wait, her post yesterday. The true Neptune never shows himself. She knew of the swap.
Wait, what criminal spoils their own theft online? That's not bravado. It's idiocy.
So something is off.
We need expert counsel.
Sapphire, an industry man, keeper of the Eye of the Sea. We must go.
How did he fool daytime inspectors? Only by coating the fake with a rare toxic varnish to mimic the UV sheen. Otherwise, it would have shown.
He's expert enough to gain insider access.
An inside job? Claire Morton, gem expert, head inspector. Find him at once.
Disappointing, Watson. Claire Morton is hospitalized. Chronic poisoning over 2 weeks. Oh God, 2 weeks. Then find the varnish supplier. Now.
Give me time. This trade is rare. Got it.
Any suspicious orders?
Surprise! Oh God, Edward Black!
Morton has been inspecting fakes for 2 weeks, hence the poisoning.
So Black left 2 weeks ago. Perfect sense.
He fed Charlotte the tale. Poor girl, smiling scapegoat. Luckily, Black's idiocy is SPF proof. Inform the police.
But Watson, when did you become so adept at finding people?
You think you alone have an assistant?